What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're getting ready to do a test drive in a 1964 Impala with a believed to be 327. AC power steering, front disc brakes. Sounds pretty good to me. Check out maplemotors.com for additional information. Close to 100 detailed pictures inside, out, and underneath. You can also get financial information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and all of our social media. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior, kind of check over some stuff. Just did a walk around video. You can see all the details about the interior. Doesn't look too bad. I love the headliner in this one. Go ahead and start her up. Starts up pretty easy. RPMs come up. Radio works. Wipers work. Couldn't get the horn to do anything. Got the horn thief around. So. All right, let's take off down the road. All right, to cut the AC on, I can push down on this lever here. Hear the idle come down. Cold air. That feels good. Good deal. All right, AC works. And we got our seat belt. What I like to do in these videos is drive around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find, because I want you to know exactly what you're buying before you come down here. If you're wondering why I'm out and about, well, I'm pretty much self-quarantining myself to all the classic cars. I'll go home once I get all these done and let you know how they all drove. This one here, steering feels pretty tight. Car's going straight down the road. Been shifting nice and smooth. Speedometer's coming up. We just hit 50, no issues there. Gas gauge is bouncing around. I believe it does work. Usually if it's floating, it gives me an indication it's working. Kickdown's not hooked up on this one, but the AC's blowing good. Brakes feel pretty good. Oh, it looks like my wife's in front of us. This car's nice and smooth. The suspension feels good as well. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Both of them are popping up too. stick y'all up in the driver's seat. We're gonna take off here. So far so good on this car. The idle's a little bit high. Probably adjust that out of the carburetor. Get our seatbelt buckled back in. Really got a smooth ride to it. Just cruising down the road. Not a lot of wind noise, not really any rattles on this one. Take a right on this road up here. We're going to hit the bump in the road. Trying to check the suspension, even though I feel like I'm floating on a cloud. There's the bump in the road right here. A lot more traffic out today. I guess everybody's trying to get their final stuff done before they tell us to stay in. Not looking forward to that. Did pick me up a whole bunch of paint though. Figured I'd just paint the house. All right, we back up here. All right, guys, made it back to the lot. Getting ready to unblock it, pull it back in there. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, share it. I'm also gonna link a walk around video of this car to the end of this so that you can go straight to it. Check out my website, weMainbsite.com. Whole bunch of classic cars for sale. Inventory changes daily. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. Be safe out there.